1st, and it's also a Sunday, so it's perfect because this is the first day of weekly vlogmas. I've got my Santa leggings on. I'm ready to go. Okay, so Logan is getting gas, and I'm staying in the car because it's cold out. But then after we get gas, we're gonna meet our dad at Kroger, and we're gonna get a Christmas tree. She's struggling. I just can't fit all of our ornaments on.
Yeah, we can. That's kind of...
the bottom of that one is gross. Is not good. Got our tree. Mom made some turkey pot pie. She's killing it. Currently trying to figure out how it is 2:30 and I feel like I have done nothing today, and it's the last day of break and it's college application deadlines. Heck is stressed. I'm gonna get a shower. Then I'm gonna upload. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and now I'm watching Santa Claus because I always do a marathon. So I'm watching Santa Claus 1 and hopefully I can get to the 3rd one, but I'm definitely gonna get to the 2nd one and that one's my favorite. Just December things. Okay, I hated that. Morning guys, today is Monday, sadly. I have a dance team today after school and drama, but Good morning, Maggie. But the good thing is I can come home during 6th period and get my stuff because I don't have a 6th period, so I don't have to hold on to school, so that's good. But I have my Hallmark movie season sweatshirt on, and then I just decided to dress like with leggings today since I have dance team and work, so that's the outfit. Hey guys, I just got out of school and I have something after school, but I don't have 6th period, so I am getting myself some dinner from McDonald's. Oh, it's dark, bro. Okay, that's better. I just got home from work, and I'm going to get in the shower super fast because I have to pick up Olivia at 8 o'clock, and it is currently 7:20, so. You know what? Talk fantasy football.
I can afford Austin Hooper and Adam Thielen getting hurt. Because then I have John Brown and Jared Cooks.
Honestly, same. Me too. No idea what they just said. We love supportive friends. Hey guys, I just got out of work and now I am headed home. I didn't vlog very much today because Tuesdays are crazy for me. Good morning guys, today is Wednesday and it's about 7:30 and I have a field trip. But my senior class is going to go see the Mr. Rogers movie at the movies today because everyone else is taking testing, so we have to be out of the building to like have the rooms be open. So we're going to the movie and I'm so excited. I have to be there about 8:30ish, so I'm leaving about 8:10, which gives me like 45 minutes to get ready, so we're gonna do that. Fit for today, ladies. Yes. I don't know why it looks like I tried, but I guess it's chill. This shirt is from Goodwill and it has a hole in it, but it's fine. It's actually super soft. It's the classic cardigan that I literally have on all the time. Some high-waisted jeans, and then I'm wearing my ponies, and then I'm taking a coat because it's gonna be freaking cold, bro. It's winter time. It's December. We're at the movies. At school. Skipping school, you know, with our senior class.
The entire senior class.
It's 9:30. I've never seen a movie at 9:30.
Me either. This is the earliest I've ever been in a movie theater, but I have a blanket, so we thriving.
And candy.
Yeah, lots
We
of candy.
easily snack candy, and like literally everybody has like bags of candy.
Oh, people walked in
With,
holding
like Dollar
bags.
General
Like
bags.
people didn't. They
It's
didn't.
funny.
There's no movie security today.
Love it. Smells like eggs on this place. It smells so bad.
No, no, we didn't.
Where are you at?
Be in it. What's
Hey.
up? What's up, y'all?
Smells like rotten eggs on here.
It does. Someone has liquid nasty spray.
Yeah. So we just got back from the movies. I don't know who was spraying stuff on the bus, but it was disgusting. Mr. Rogers was good, but it was not what I expected. It's really not about Mr. Rogers, like at all. But Tom Hanks
He plays
killed it. And now we're at future problem solving practice, so.
Whoa.
I did absolutely nothing at school today, so that was nice. But now I'm going to continue to work on my homework. I got to work on it for a couple hours today because I surprisingly didn't have anything after school, so that was good. But I'm going to continue working on it, and then I'm going to go to sleep. Okay, Okay, so I'm currently leaving school, and funny story is, so my college professor that I have class with right now is a lawyer. So on Tuesday, he told us all, well, I have a trial. I have to be at court at 1:30 on Thursday, but he never said class was canceled. So we all showed up, and we were like, we really just don't have class. But he usually emails us, like, to confirm that we don't have class. So we all showed up anyway. And it's just funny because he probably thinks that we're all, like, these intelligent kids who just were like, yeah, we can just go home. But we're all, like, paranoid all the time, so. I'm home now, but long story short, we all made an executive decision to just leave. Oh my god, the sun. Because he hadn't showed up, which was fine, because he pretty much told us that he wasn't going to be there, and none of us just, like, picked up the hint, I guess, because we're stupid. But now I'm home, and I have to go back up for after school stuff, but I wanted to kind of, like, chill for a bit, so I'm going to do that. It's currently dark in my room, so I'm in my closet, and it's about 10:30, and I'm about to go to sleep, and I'm setting an alarm for midnight because I want to listen to Harry Styles and Taylor Swift and Niall Horan, and I'm very excited, and this is a really bad angle, but I'm tired, so it's fine. It's fine. St. Nick Day. Oh, my song. We got 25 days of Christmas kindness, and we're already behind. We're 6 days behind. Hey guys, so I'm about to leave school, but I just spent all of English class making snowflakes and coloring penguins for our door decorating contest, and it was so fun. We were listening to Christmas music, super chill day, which was nice. Hi guys, I have been all over God's creation today, but I am finally going over to my friend Julia's house. It is an ugly sweater party, and I'm so excited. I've got my Christmas socks on. La 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 llama. I have these like ribbon bobby pins in, and I don't really know how I'm feeling about the hairstyle, but I'm gonna try it out. Then I have my little Christmas tree earrings, super exciting, and I'm gonna head over. I get to see my long distance friends from my college program over the summer, so I'm so excited.
Ready? Tell you when you're gonna go.
You're good. Woo! You're so tall, I can't get you in one leg.
Yeah, you're so tall.
Okay, do it again.
Ready? I'm ready.
I'm being bullied.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Stir fry.
What?
Yeah, you have one.
Oh,
Are you
oh, that cookie is thick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey! We're icing cookies.
I'm making icing.
Woohoo! Oh, yes, to a spin.
You didn't know?
Oh!
Oh. You were asking.
Easter colors.
Summer Night Routine 2016.
Yep.
My God! We're watching The Grinch.
We just finished icing cookies. Currently watching Grinch.
And now we're gonna play trivia.
Yes, Boys vs. Girls.
It's super sunny and the lighting like low-key sucks, but it's fine. Well, Olivia's not in here yet, but we're about to go to our friend's house for her birthday. Okay, don't smile, it's fine. Don't smile, it's fine.
Look how tiny they are compared to
Oh, that looks really pretty. It really is. Okay, that's not going in.
Is this for your vlog?
Yeah, it's going in the vlog.
Yeah, she's a vlog.
It's like he said, okay, I'm trying. Okay, there we go.
The cat or the gorilla?
Look at, wait, no.
Look at the girl in the back. She's got her mouth open.
That one over there is
Hey,
me.
look, face. I need your face, buddy.
Oh. Look at he's turned around the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so mean.
Oh my God, where's the ladder? Any other time? They are sort of. I like the ducks.
It's chilly, guys. Hey, guys, we are currently leaving my friend's house because we have to go home and do stuff, obviously. But yesterday was the end of Vlogmas week 1, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Today's Sunday, so we will see you in the next vlog and the next video. Sorry if this video is a mess and all over the place and or long. But thank you for sticking with us, and we will see you later because we're almost at the end of the cul-de-sac. So goodbye.